ASME is passionate about technologies. Our standards protect the life and safety of many people globally. ASME is a group of very compassionate, dedicated, smart individuals. I'm fortunate to be associated with this group, and I look forward to leading our team.
We're fortunate to have Tom Costabile join us this year as our new Executive Director. Tom brings to us a wealth of experience, both within industry and within engineering. When we talk about ASME strategy, we're talking about our future. And when we talk about our future, we've chosen 5 core technologies: robotics, bioengineering, clean energy, manufacturing, and pressure technology. Being focused on the leading edge of technology is imprinted in ASME's DNA. It's been that way since ASME was founded back in 1880. Today, as then, ASME is squarely focused on how the latest innovations and technologies can provide opportunities for engineers to improve the lives of people in every corner of the world. This focus on the most important technologies of our time will help ensure that ASME remains vibrant and relevant, enabling us to continue making major contributions to the global engineering landscape for many years to come, well into the 21st century.
This is our second year that we've promoted eFests. eFests are a collaborative event. It's the opportunity to bring students together in different parts of the world in design competitions, human-powered vehicles, robotics, all enhancing the engineering technologies. A big part of the success of our eFests have been partnering with some key sponsors. eFests this year were in Brazil, India, and the United States. It's competition, it's fun, it's camaraderie. It's a great opportunity to promote engineering.
Safeguarding and ensuring the future of our profession is a critical priority for ASME. We think that investing in a robust suite of learning and development offerings is an essential way to do just that. ASME's learning and development programs are recognized as essential resources in training for engineers and technical professionals. Our courses are tailored to the needs of industry professionals and combine academic rigor with applications to real-world situations. This work aligns with our mission and contributes to the advancement of engineering solutions to help improve the quality of life worldwide.
There are over 100,000 volunteers that comprise ASME's many sectors, divisions, and committees. It's the work of these committees and these volunteers that allows us to further enhance our standards and further enhance safety throughout the world. We are so grateful to all of our members and volunteers for their passion, professionalism, and generosity in devoting their time for the benefit of this profession we all love so much.